Hi foodies, welcome to Bake and Make Snacks series episode number 4. Today we are baking a delicious cheesy garlic bread. To start off, let's take one loaf of French baguette. We got ours from Bistro, Madurai. If you prefer, you can also use other crusty breads like ciabatta, French bread or a sourdough. Now let's slice the baguette in a crisscross style for a more appetizing look. Though the bread is crusty, my kind knife glides through effortlessly. Let's make garlic butter spread. In a bowl, mix together half cup of salted butter that's in room temperature, a teaspoon of shredded garlic, a sprinkle of red chili flakes for the spice, and some oregano for that aromatic touch. Mix everything well until you get a smooth, spreadable consistency. Now, generously spread this flavorful butter on both sides of the sliced bread. You can replace this shredded garlic with garlic powder and red chili flakes with pepper as well. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bhargav was eagerly waiting to grab a bite, so I made it even faster. I topped one side of the bread with abundant amount of mozzarella cheese and added some sliced black olives for the contrast and extra flavor. These olives are totally optional. Now let's bake it. Let's bake for exactly 12 minutes just until the cheese melts perfectly and turns light golden brown. The kitchen is already filled with an irresistible aroma. Look at that cheesy garlicky goodness. Trust me, this won't last more than a few minutes on your serving plate. Try it out and let me know how you liked it. See you in the next episode. Bye.